Xaviere Masson. I work at the Laboratoire in Paris. I'm the Chief of Staff for ArtScience Labs, which is the umbrella organization over what we do. The Laboratoire is an exhibition space, but we also have the ArtScience Prize, which was piloted in Boston in the United States in 2009 for its first year. We did the second one in Paris 2010, and we're now in different countries throughout the world. And the way it works is it needs to be accepted by the community. So there's one in Minnesota, there's one in Oklahoma. Singapore, through St. Joseph's School, is actually developing their own ArtScience Prize, and it is a new methodology to trying to engage students by actually doing. And sort of the blue sky idea is how David Edwards, who is the founder of all of our labs, Harvard professor, franko-American, trying to dream big without thinking that I can do this or I can't do this or the technology does not exist. We did the first last year through Studio Lab was the water. The concept of water, and next year will be synthetic biology. So we have students think about an idea and then work with experts in that field and try to make it and realize it. Sometimes it's not possible and sometimes it is, but act on it. Don't be passive. You learn by doing, you learn by making mistakes, and this is how you progress.
And they get the strategies by doing it and finding out, oh, I can do it, or I can't do it this way, or which other ways are possible.
It is the concept of ideas translation. Take something, take a concept, a brainstorming idea, and really transpose it. We've had some students actually think about a concept, go see scientists in that field they were looking for, and the scientists are saying, you can't do this. This does not exist, you can't do this. They walk out with their mentor and their mentor say, well, 50 years ago you would have gone and said, try to have a phone that doesn't have a plug or something, and people would have said, this is impossible. So it's trying to break the barriers and think further and really try to realize it. So some things take some time, but we've had some concepts, some groups who actually turned out to be new startups, and they're their own companies. They found funding and they're working, their life's dream is actually what they do.
Why is it so important to do it and not only to have a very good concept and let others do it? Will it be okay as well?
You could, but I think when this is your personal project and you're passionate about something, you can take it that much further. Some groups, for example, you have 3 or 4 students working together. 2 might stay and actually take it further. 2 might say, I'm going to do something else, or I go and I do another university degree. So it really varies and everyone is different. There's no right or wrong, but you need to try to know how it will be.
And what's the address to get more information?
So to learn more, the umbrella organization is called ArtScience Labs, artsciencelabs.org. And with regard to the education itself, it is artscienceprize.org, singular.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.